Are you looking for the best teeth whitening powders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best teeth whitening powders that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Activated Charcoal Powder from Majestic Pure. This product is all natural, but you should definitely do that a patch test be done to ensure that allergic reactions will not occur. We think this product is great for DIY recipes such as facial masks, facial scrubs, underarm lightening, knee lightening, elbow lightening, homemade eyeliner, homemade mascara, and teeth whitening paste. The jar label comes with a few recipes for other suggested uses outside of teeth whitening, which is very helpful for beginners. We do have a few concerns about the product, such as, it is a little messy in the jar and on application. It is not safe for children. Overall, this versatile, all-natural product has many uses and is a safe alternative to whitening toothpaste. At number 4, Natural Activated Charcoal Toothpaste Teeth Whitening with Organic Cinnamon by Sagano. The cinnamon is a natural pain reliever and can help to alleviate sensitivity in the teeth and gums. Using it 2 to 3 times a week can help you see improvements in your oral discomfort. However, we did notice that the addition of cinnamon is supposed to provide flavor, but it does not have enough to be noticeable. Cinnamon may also deter customers from this product because of a personal spice and smell preference. It can be worth noting that this is a good option for those trying to whiten their teeth through natural means. The cinnamon may add more of aromatic smell rather than taste, which can work well in all users' favor. At number 3, Majestic Pure Teeth Whitening Activated Charcoal Powder, Natural Teeth Whitener with Coconut Charcoal. It is 100% natural, which is always a plus for a consumer. You can simply just add it to your wet toothbrush. Using a soft toothbrush would definitely be ideal. The baking soda helps with whitening your teeth, as well as providing a debris removal effect. The formula helps with both stain removal and polishing of the teeth. We do like that flavors are enhanced naturally with the use of essential oils. A plus is that they are also germ-killing agents. There are a few cons that consumers should be aware of. We would advise you to be cautious about overly using this product. It can cause your teeth to feel more sensitive and your enamel may be at risk. Although the essential oils are considered natural, and if you are concerned about their purity level, you may not be getting that with this powder. Looking for 100% natural products can be difficult. This one in particular provides users with a safe confidence that they will not be absorbing any harmful chemicals. At number 2, Black Pearl Activated Charcoal Teeth Whitening, Organic and All-Natural, Remineralizing Tooth Powder. It removes the stains from the enamel and remineralizes the teeth. This powder uses a perfect blend of herbs and spices to eliminate bad breath, which is caused by bacteria. At the same time, it gives your mouth a clean taste and feels similar to what would be experienced with traditional toothpaste. The herbs and spices add extra benefits to maintain healthy, oral hygiene. We strongly believe that natural odor control and oral care is more effective. Our complaints would be that the artificial mint flavoring and added menthol provide the familiar feel of toothpaste, yet they can be harmful to someone looking for a more natural product. It can also be very messy in your bathroom. The black components tend to get all over your sink after rinsing your mouth. Being reasonably priced for the types of ingredients you get with the product can be appreciated. At number 1, InVitamin Natural Whitening Tooth and Gum Powder with Activated Charcoal. You get twice as much use as you would from any standard-sized toothpaste. You may also choose to add it to your regular toothpaste. The ingredients are 100% naturally occurring. InVitamin has been certified cruelty-free by the Leaping Bunny program. That is reassuring to customers who prefer brands that are community conscious. It contains very effective activated charcoal. By simply adding natural ingredients, consumers are able to experience the additional oral health benefits. The cons would be that this product can get very messy. Sometimes, small particles can get stuck in your teeth and gums, so it is important to rinse thoroughly. The amount you get in one tube is definitely something that many consumers can back. Especially for families, it makes it more value for the money. Being considered cruelty-free can also give you confidence that it was made with intention. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.